If you're from India or Indian subcontinent and you cook at home, then you definitely must be having this mixer grinder to do all your masalas. And these couplers need to be replaced as and when there are damages. So you can see here right now, after pretty much good use, you can see this crack here. So this needs to be replaced. Now, when you buy mixer, especially the Preeti mixer, nowadays these spares come along with the mixer. So these are the spares you see. And with these spares, you will be pretty much able to change the coupler. So you see, I'll show these tools. I'll give you a closer look. If you don't get it, make sure you have the spares with you. If you can, from India, it's cheaper. You still get it in the US and Canada, but it's going to be a little expensive. Any which ways, you definitely will get any part of the world you are in, and if there are considerable Indian diaspora. So you can take out this coupler either using this tool which came with the mixer, or if you just have a screwdriver, you can still do it. So let's show. Here you see this gap. You just have to place the screwdriver like this, and then it comes and sits like this. And you just start giving gentle push while you rotate this. Okay. So since I have this tool which is given by the mixer, I'll insert this like this and then give a gentle push. You see, it's coming out. Just do this few times and then this is out. Okay. It's pretty much, it took less than 5-10 seconds. You can see here, this is the old one and this is the new. So just place it. You just have to align this. You see here how this is. You have to position looking at this head. So once that is positioned like this, and you know that it is sitting right where it is intended to, push it gently. And this is done. So this is sitting firmly. If you want, you can do a gentle tap like this from like this. And this is pretty much aligned and sitting at the right place. This is the spare for the jar. So this is the tool and this is the spare. My jar is intact, so I'm not changing this at the moment. Whenever there is a need, I'll make a separate video for this. Also important are these gaskets for the jar. So anytime I travel to India, I make sure I have spares for the mixer grinder, the cooker, and all these items which are easily available in India. So pretty much everything is sorted out this way. So guys, all these details are available on my website. You can go and check, and that way you won't miss out the list of items which you need to bring from India if you're traveling. And thanks for watching.